Welcome! Today we are diving into building a custom AI legal assistant. This tool is designed to automate the often tedious process of personal contract analysis and management. This project aims to leverage artificial intelligence to provide you with powerful, personal legal contract management capabilities. We all deal with personal contracts, leases, warranties, employment agreements, and manually managing them can be confusing, time-consuming, and risky if key details are missed. Introducing our custom AI legal assistant. This solution will bring automation, clarity, and control to your personal legal documentation. First, we need to clearly define the scope and requirements of our assistant, ensuring it meets your specific personal contract management needs. The assistant will focus on core personal contract types like leases and housing agreements, employment contracts, and product warranties, simplifying diverse document handling. Our key features include automated contract analysis, generating easy-to-understand summaries, and proactively tracking critical deadlines. Now, let's select the right AI tools and platform. This involves choosing powerful large language models, or LLMs, for processing legal text. We'll leverage state-of-the-art LLMs and natural language processing techniques to accurately understand and interpret complex legal jargon. Given the sensitive nature of personal contracts, setting up a robust data privacy and security framework is paramount to protect your information. The next stage is developing the core analysis engine that will read, process, and structure the data extracted from your uploaded contracts. We train the model to accurately identify and extract crucial clauses, such as termination conditions, liability limits, and key obligations from varied contract formats. We implement the summarization function to distill complex terms and a risk assessment scoring system to flag potential concerns quickly. A powerful assistant needs a user-friendly interface. Let's focus on creating an intuitive management interface for easy interaction. The contract dashboard must be clean and user-friendly, providing immediate visibility into all your documents and their status. We integrate automated alert systems to notify you of critical deadlines, renewal periods, and expiration dates, ensuring you never miss a beat. The system is built. Now comes the crucial phase of rigorous testing and refinement to ensure accuracy and reliability. We will test the assistant extensively against a diverse set of real-world personal contract samples to validate the analysis engine's performance. Continuous, iterative improvement, driven by user feedback, will ensure the AI assistant remains accurate and highly effective over time. We've successfully outlined the plan for building a custom AI legal assistant that transitions personal contract management from a headache to a streamlined process. The primary benefit is clear: significant time savings and a massive reduction in personal legal risk by proactively managing your documents. Future capabilities could include integration with digital signature platforms and automated redlining suggestions, pushing the boundaries of personal legal automation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content on AI development and automation.